What's good, gamers? I'm gonna show you how to make a PewDiePie pattern in Razer Synapse. So first, you're going to want to have your Razer keyboard here, select it all with static effect, select your PewDiePie color, done.
I usually have an answer to the question, but this time I'm gonna be quiet.
For being serious here, I'm trying to make this wallpaper right here. And I feel like I've done a pretty darn good job. Scroll down to it here. Save. So you can see it going back and forth and alternating colors. So like every chroma effect, you're going to want to start with a blank palette here. I have a little gray accent just for reference, so I make sure to get the pattern right. It's not, I mean, for most of these, it's not that important to get the pattern right. But for this one, if you don't get the right pattern, it doesn't look nearly as good in my opinion. Just kind of select it like this in a wavy pattern. You can see which ones I'm selecting. When I'm done here, you might want to pause the video before moving on to the next step. The next step is to color it. Select that. Boom. You're done with that part. Ah, fly. Now you're going to want to select all of the keys that you didn't select before. Go ahead and do that. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go back to the same thing. Except this time, there's gonna be black on that side and red there. And now you're done.
You thought it was over.
Haha. Maybe we don't have bonus meme, but we do have a bonus profile. Didn't see that coming. We got this nice animated Swedish flag. And I'm totally not only showcasing this profile and showing you how to make it to get over the 3-minute mark. And I'll probably chalk some memes at the end just to make sure I get to 5 minutes. But this is actually pretty simple as well. Oh, never mind. You're gonna get your static effect. And you're gonna select it to blue. Now save. Now you're going to get your wave effect. Get that. Select this right here. Now, with this effect, there's going to be a decent amount of experimenting you want to do. Just where you want this on here. I like it pretty far. But not too far away, obviously. Then you want a second wave. Oh, and can I talk about the retro wave video? Holy crap! Like, almost 200 views, and I posted it last night. I'm so excited for this channel. I don't think we'll ever get to 1,000 subscribers, but, I don't know, maybe. We'll see. Okay, so once you have that, you basically make the same effect again. I'm sorry, I kind of talked over the tutorial. And you want to select the angle to 0. Just as close to 0 as you can get. Right there, 0. Perfect. And there you have it. Your animated Swedish flag to celebrate PewDiePie. Oh, and another touch you can add is adding a single, or no, you can use the same static, really. and highlighting SWEDN to spell out Sweden. You can spell out PewDiePie, or my favorite, IKEA. So, now the video is actually over. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you again in my next video. Goodbye.